What's the meaning of age set? Age set. Age set. Age set. Age set. Age set. The term age set refers to a social structure found in some cultures, particularly in parts of Africa. Age sets are groups of individuals who are born within a certain time period, typically around 2 to 3 years apart, and who move through various stages of life together. These groups often have specific roles and responsibilities within their society, such as military or political duties. Age sets may also have their own initiation ceremonies and rituals. This social structure helps to promote solidarity and cooperation among members of the group and can be important for maintaining stability in the community.